Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term fein. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, feign is a slang term used to describe pretending or faking interest or feelings. People use it when they want to act like they care or are excited, but really they are not. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Fein first showed up in the 1980s as part of African American vernacular English slang. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people in urban communities. Now let's check out how to use fiend in a sentence. Correct example 1. She was just fiend excitement about the surprise party to avoid hurting anyone's feelings. Correct example 2. I could tell he was fiend when he said he liked that song. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said fein at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using fiend right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Feign means to pretend or fake interest or feelings. It started in 1980s African American vernacular English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with feign in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.